It looks like Trump's complaints about discovery violations by prosecutors in the criminal case are falling apart now that the district attorney has had the opportunity to respond, Vance stated. CNN's Caitlin Collins posted on X, formerly Twitter, saying this: Judge Merchan turned down Donald Trump's request to postpone or drop the criminal hush money case, which is set to begin jury selection on April 15th. He falsely alleges that Alvin Bragg was coerced into filing the lawsuit. As he mentioned in his press conference, Trump is probably going to file an appeal against the hush money payment case's April 15th trial start date. It's unclear if the appeal will cause the trial to be postponed or canceled. Additionally, jokes and memes about Donald Trump have been trending on social media in response to his recent appearance in a New York City courtroom about his hush money prosecution. About hush money payments made to former adult film star Stormy Daniels just weeks before the 2016 presidential election. The former president is accused of 34 felonies for falsifying business documents. Trump has refuted Daniels' allegations that she had an affair with him 10 years ago. Alvin Bragg, the Manhattan district attorney, is leading the prosecution, which claims the payments were a part of a plot to prevent potentially embarrassing reports about Trump from being published. Prosecutors also claim that Trump sent multiple checks to Michael Cohen, his former attorney, to cover up the hush money payments he made to Daniels. In the meantime, Trump has entered a not guilty plea. The pre-trial hearing for the criminal case took place on Monday in a New York City courthouse, where Trump, the presumed Republican nominee for president in 2024, was present. The former president declared, "This is a witch hunt," before going inside. "This is a scam." It is anticipated that his legal team will file an appeal against the April 15th start date of the hush money trial, hoping for yet another postponement or the complete dismissal of the 34 criminal counts. Due to Trump's attendance and the Jane Rosenberg-drawn courtroom, the court hearing also garnered some attention on X, the former Twitter. The former president is seen grinning sheepishly and appears to be facing the artist. When the edible hits, journalist Aaron Rupar captioned the picture on X. Trump and this sketch artist are today's winners. X user at BenStanton77 said, "He needs to have this hung at Mar-a-Lago." At BenStanton77 included a meme to a different tweet and stated, "You can't make this up. The sketch artist today made Trump into the literal meme." Several users on X, such as the account End Wokeness, called the comedy an instant classic. User at BubbleBathGirl wrote, "Today's courtroom sketch of President Trump is a classic. He's always winning, even when he's being persecuted." Trump's courtroom sketch is amazing, commented Ian Miles Chong on X. Trump has often made fun of himself in court, particularly in the last year or so as a result of his numerous cases that are ongoing at the same time. They have drawn considerable criticism, particularly from Trump fans who have taken issue with the way Trump and his attorney, Alan Habba, were portrayed. On Monday, a New York appellate court rendered a favorable decision for Trump, reducing the $464 million bond amount to $175 million. The court granted him 10 days to make the payment before New York Attorney General Letitia James could impose a lien on his properties. Because no bond company would pay that much money, the former president's legal team had claimed in court that the prior bail amount was a practical impossibility to pay off. The bond amount was issued more than a month after Judge Arthur Engoron's ruling, which required Trump to make restitution for falsely misrepresenting the worth of his assets in order to get bank loans. After the court victory, Trump posted on Truth Social, "We will respect the Appellate Division's ruling and post either a bond, equivalent securities, or cash." This further demonstrates how absurd and outlandish Engoron's first $450 million choice was. "I did nothing improper, and New York ought never to be placed in such a precarious situation once more. It is crucial that the issue of violent crime be resolved in its entirety as soon as possible, as businesses are collapsing and violent crime is thriving. I'm grateful." Additionally, in an exclusive interview with Fox News Digital, Trump announced that he is appealing the ruling and that he will battle all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. Jonathan Turley, "It is really concerning what is occurring to the justice system in New York." Fox News contributor Jonathan Turley stopped on Fox and Friends to talk about the most recent developments regarding Trump's attempt to obtain the $454 million bond, as well as his reasons for not remembering the Democratic Party from his childhood.